Please subscribe, like and comment. Top 10 Programming Language for Business in 2020. The following are top programming languages for developers and businesses with brief explanation. 10 Scala. Average global salary for development on Scala, $78,000. The average salary for Scala developers in the US is $143,000. As per Stack Overflow Annual Survey 2019, Scala is the highest paid programming language in the US, and PLE fourth most exceeded programming language globally. Scala's popularity on GitHub has gone down in 2019. It went from being the 12th most active language on GitHub in 2018 to the 17th position in the past year. Scala's popularity in Google search trends peaked for some time in the months of March and August. However, the user interest on Scala started going down since November 2019. 9 TypeScript. Average global salary for development on TypeScript, $60,000. The average salary for TypeScript developers in the US is $115,000. TypeScript is the 10th most popular top programming language as per Stack Overflow Developer Survey. The Microsoft-nurtured programming language is now the 7th most active on GitHub. The popularity of TypeScript as per Google search peaked for some time in June, July, October, and the entire month of November in 2019. TypeScript has witnessed a remarkable rise in user interest this year. 8 Kotlin. Average global salary for development on Kotlin, $57,000. The average salary for Kotlin developers in the US is $125,000. Although Kotlin isn't one of the most highly paid languages as of right now, its demand is soaring thanks to Google declaring it as the official language for Android app development. Kotlin is the 15th most active top programming language on GitHub, having risen by one rank since the last year. Kotlin's popularity has mostly remained consistent this year. The user interest on this language peaked during the month of May. This was possibly due to the I/O 2019 and Google's declaration of Kotlin being used as a primary language for Android app development. 7 Ruby. Average global salary for development on Ruby, $76,000. The average salary for Ruby developers in the US is $123,000. Ruby is the 6th most highly paid language globally as per Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2019. Ruby has maintained the 12th position throughout the year in the list of most active top programming languages in GitHub. The Ruby programming language maintained its peak popularity between January-April 2019. But it started going down since May and its user interest dropped to 57 by December. 6 Swift. The global average salary for a Swift I.O.S. developer is $59,000. As per Indeed, the average salary for the same profile in the US is $125,000 per year. Swift is the 6th most loved programming language as per Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2019. Swift was 10th most active programming language on GitHub for the year 2019. The Google search popularity of Swift peaked to a score of 100 in June this year. But it maintained an otherwise consistent search volume throughout the year. 5 Go. Average Go developer salary globally, $109,000 per year. The average salary in the US for this top programming language is $136,000 per year. Go is the 3rd most highly paid language globally in the Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2019. The Go programming language is the 4th most active on GitHub. The Google search popularity for Go has remained constant in 2019. 4 C. As per Indeed, the average salary for a C programmer in the US is $104,905 per year. As per Stack Overflow Survey 2019, C happens to be the 4th most dreaded programming language. The C programming language is the 8th most active on GitHub, a position it has maintained for 2 years straight. C's popularity reached great heights in 2019, and it maintained a consistently high user interest throughout the year. In fact, the T.O.B.E Index Award rests C as the most popular programming language for 2019. 3. Java. Average Java developer salary in the US as per Indeed, $101,929 per year. Java happens to be at the 10th place as one of the most dreaded programming languages in 2019. Third most active top programming language on GitHub. Java scored a rating of 89 out of 100 in Google Trends as of January 2019. In December 2019, the number dropped down to 59. This decrease could be attributed to widespread use of Python as an alternative and the intense competition between Python vs Java. 2. Python. Average Python developer salary in the US as per Indeed, $117,503 per year. Python is one of the top object-oriented programming languages and second in the list of most loved top programming languages as per Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2019. Also recognized as the most wanted programming language in the Stack Overflow Developer Survey. Second most active programming language on GitHub. Python's popularity has significantly dipped since the beginning of 2019. As of December 2019, the language had a rating of 62/100 in Google Trends, while it had reached a score of 75 in January. 1. JavaScript. Average JavaScript developer salary in the US as per Indeed, $109,462 per year. Recognized as the most popular top programming language in the Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2019. Most popular programming language on GitHub. It seems that JavaScript has gone down in popularity since the past year as per data from Google Trends. The language was almost at the peak score with a rating of 91 in January 2019. In December 2019, we saw a dip in popularity and JavaScript scored only 62 out of 100. For more update, don't forget to subscribe, and click alum button. Thank you for watching.